but I'm looking for something like this. I want the C cup going. I don't want the C. I want it faded like.
Gotcha.
I want the C cup faded out, and I like this.
Do you do enhancements?
You can do enhancements. You could like put the line right
I'm
here.
thinking like right there. But let's do it. All right, YouTube. This is what my client's hairline looks like. As you can see, he has that light spot and a bunch of cowlicks in the front. So I'm going to be showing you guys, how I kind of maneuver around this. We're going to start our fade by putting in our bald line with our gold trimmers. If you guys want to purchase any of these tools, just go down into my Amazon storefront. And I'm dropping it in the back, so it's I'm putting the guideline in diagonal. This side, same thing. If you're new to the channel, hit that sub button, drop a like. This helps me be put into YouTube's algorithm more, so more people can see my videos. Let's get it. So we're doing the same thing on this side, and then we're gonna do the same thing in the back. In the back, we're gonna flip our trimmer over. As you can see, his hair grows differently back here. That's why we're doing this. Also, we're gonna make it easier for ourselves later on to take this line out. Now we're just gonna kind of graze it. I believe this was my 4. This is my first time cutting his hair. I got my JRLs. I'm kind of going slow near the cowlicks. Notice how I'm not going straight through. I'm doing the top, and then I'm kind of like flicking out towards the hairline because I don't want to take the hairline down with the 4 because it might leave patches in it. So right here, I'm like flicking. Being careful around those bald spots. Now we're gonna begin our fade process. I'm going against the grain right there. And then the same thing with my lever open. We're gonna blend this line out real fast. I got my 1 arm now. Now I got my 2. Now I got my 3. And this is my 4 again. Now this is my 1.5 guard. After that, I'm gonna switch to my 0 guard. And then this is pretty much gonna fade it all out. We're gonna go back with no guard, lever open, and kind of like play with the lever to take it out. Quick and easy, nothing complicated. Quick and easy. So we're gonna do the same thing with this side. And when I do the back, I'm gonna show you guys how I do the back also. I was just having fun with it. Sometimes I just be bored. I'll just have fun. I'm gonna show y'all. I kind of was saving time too. I just freehanded it. To try and skip some of the guards. We still are going to use guards just to touch it up. Right under this, we're going to drop down and just take that line out. Let's start with the 4 again. The 3. The 1. I believe this is my 2. And this is my 1.5. That's the fade, pretty simple. Now we're gonna move on to the more difficult part, the hairline. So let's get it. Doing some detail work before we move on. I'm gonna fade in his beard real quick. It was already pretty low, so it was pretty simple. So look at his hairline. It's like diagonal, it's slanted. So we're gonna work around this. With a hairline like this, you can't really get it straight. That wasn't his main concern. He just wanted it sharp. He wanted enhancements to cover up the little light spots. We're gonna spray a little bit of hairspray, and we're just gonna line it up. We're gonna kind of ignore that cowlick right there and just line up his bangs. So right after we line it up on this side, we're just gonna go ahead and add the enhancements just so we can kind of get a better view of what we're working with. So we're gonna follow that line to this other side. This side's higher. And he has that bald spot. So we're just gonna make an invisible ghost line and then just add enhancements. That's what he wanted. You guys saw in the client consultation. So we're gonna reline it up after that. And make sure everything is brushed forward. Shape up his beard real quick. So I didn't use Easy Blade in this video. I used I was testing out this feather razor. Very flexible. It's like a safety razor. You can kind of just drag it without cutting your client. We're just gonna detail his beard very briefly. He's just rocking a shadow look. I like it. Looks dope. Fits the haircut too. We're just gonna freehand trim the top. As you can see, look at that fade. Look at that line. It's crispy. It's clean. Fits his head shape. This is how my client came in, and this is how he's leaving. Drop a like if you're new to the channel. It's 4. I'm out. Peace.